Flat sketches are the technical drawings every clothing factory needs, and you might think you have to be great at Illustrator to make them. You don't. I'll show you how to create fashion flat sketches even if you can't draw a straight line using AI. A flat sketch, or fashion flat, is a simple, straight-on technical drawing of a garment, front, back, and side. No model, no styling. Just the seams, pockets, and proportions, so a manufacturer can read your design exactly. Here's the shortcut. In Genpire, you describe the garment in one sentence, and it generates clean flats for you, front, back, and side automatically. No drawing required. Those flats become a section in your tech pack. Open specs, go to flat sketches, and there they are. Clean line drawings, production ready, exactly the way a factory expects them. Why does this matter? A factory can't cut or quote from a styled photo. Clean flats remove the guesswork. They're the difference between a maybe and a real quote. So that's how a beginner creates fashion flat sketches. Describe the garment, let AI draw the flats, and drop them into your tech pack. No drawing skills required. Try it at genpire.com.